Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video, we will discuss how to set up Aenxwa WLAN Repeater using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, connect your Aenxwa repeater to a power outlet near your Wi-Fi router. Wait until the power LED turns solid, this means it's ready. Locate the WPS button on your Wi-Fi router, usually labeled WPS or with 2 arrows in a circle counterclockwise arrows button. Press and hold the button for 2 to 3 seconds. The WPS LED on the router will start blinking, meaning it's searching for a device to connect. This WPS mode usually stays open for about 2 minutes. Within that 2-minute window, press the WPS button on your Aenxwa repeater. The WPS/signal LED on the repeater will start blinking, this means it's trying to connect to your router. The repeater and router will handshake automatically. This process takes about 30 to 60 seconds. The signal LED on the repeater will turn solid, green or stable light. On some models, multiple LEDs may light up to show the signal strength. After the successful connection, unplug the repeater and move it to a location halfway between your router and the weak Wi-Fi zone. Make sure the repeater still gets at least 2 to 3 bars of Wi-Fi signal from the router. Now, your repeater should broadcast an extended Wi-Fi network. The network name, SSID, may be your main Wi-Fi name EXT or the same Wi-Fi name if cloning mode is supported. Use the same Wi-Fi password as your router to connect. That's it. Your Aenxwa WLAN repeater is now set up using WPS. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.